Hey.
So who of you would like to give a contact like WhatsApp or Messenger or email?
Sinong may ano sa iyo, may number or messenger? Ikaw, sige.
Okay. Your name is again?
Pa?
Ano
Your name?
pangalan mo?
Lance po.
Lance.
Jade Patropis po.
But short name is Lance, right?
Pa?
The short name, nickname?
Pangalan mo ba?
LG po.
LG. Okay. Can you write down your contact so we can send you the link later?
Number mo.
Like and subscribe on his channel, J channel.
My YouTube channel.
Yeah, like and subscribe, and you can share with your friends too.
So people in Japan, they will see you.
Yeah.
They for sure they will like this one.
Yeah.
How you say Merry Christmas in Japanese?
Same Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So in Japanese, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Ito po.
Maraming salamat. Thank you. So,
Tingin ko dito, bibi. And you.
so sino ang cashier? Ikaw din?
Ako po.
Ah, the lady. Of course. So since you are eight people in total, we will just allocate 100 pesos for each, which is 800 in total. So each one of you get 100. Is that okay?
So,
Sure? Ay, wait, let me double check. Because sometimes mali ako. 1, 2. Yeah, it's correct. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Wait, sandali lang.
picture.
Picture with Jay. Is that okay with you? We can take photos of you with Jay.
Sure?
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Just running the video now.
Okay.
It's okay. Aha, you're the one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Okay.
One more pa daw, one more. Ikaw kulat niya.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay na.
Okay.
Thank you.
Parang may isa leader natin. May isa leader natin.
Saan kayo natira?
Ako po. Ako po din sa...
So the Silio.
Silyo.
So, you know that we have a recording studio.
Merry Christmas, Japanese. Yay.